Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to set up tips on your Clover Compact credit card terminal. So once you're on the main screen, if you press here where it says tips, you're going to see that the system is going to tell you it's not enabled. So the way you're going to enable it is that you're going to come to this gear icon on the top. You're going to go to where it says setup. You're going to scroll down to where it says tips. And right here, you're going to see where it says ask for tip. You're going to tap this. You're going to select this box that says ask for tip. If you want to do it in just one device or this device only, you can select that here. If you want to do it in all of your devices, you would select all devices. Press save. And now your system is ready to take tips. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's say I was taking a payment for $150. And my client is going to pay me with a card. And here the system is going to give him the options to leave a tip and pay in the process. It may ask you for a PIN, and once they enter their PIN, the transaction will go through. Here you'll have the option to print a receipt, or if the client wants it via text or email, you just press where it says more options. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment or a like below. Thank you.